Right. Morning, people.
Good morning.
So, well, I should say good morning. It's actually lunchtime.
10 to 12, Monday. Oh. It is still Monday morning.
Okay, Monday morning, 10 to 12.
So
Pushing
good morning.
Very close to lunchtime. We're still in the van.
Yeah, we are.
So, Stu's been doing some editing this morning for a video.
Yeah, we've got tonight's one to go out now, so if you haven't seen it, go back. It was day 2.
Yeah,
go
please.
check it out. And if you haven't seen day 1, go back even more and check out day 1.
Next time, do the bell, ding-a-ling, and then you'll be notified.
Plug it.
I know, and it yeah, so this morning we are going to go and get some shopping, I think. We've got the kids currently writing a shopping list. Look at this. So there you are. There's the kiddies. Morning, kiddies.
Right, that's the one thing Mum needs. But, look.
Mum's wine. Wow. No, in fairness, it is halfway down the list. Let's have a look. Fruit, crisps and snacks. Brilliant. Dad's chocolate. See? Ha! Your chocolate ranked higher than Mum's wine, which is further down the bottom. Wow. Nice one, kids. Haha. They've got my back, see?
Dad likes chocolate.
Dad does like his chocolate. I don't know. Keep working on it, guys.
Yeah, I'm right. And I only wrote my name and
little tasks we make them do, like, and they love it, don't they? They get proper
get
stuck
involved.
In.
So we're just literally waiting for this video to finish uploading.
Yep.
We're gonna jump in the van, so we're gonna go get some shopping. But you wanted to go to, is it Lytham?
Lytham, I think it's called.
Lytham. We're gonna go check Lytham out.
I want to go out in the moho today because the taxi situation the last couple of days has really stressed me out, and I thought we've got our own set of wheels. Why on earth are we paying for someone else's? So I said to the man, "But come on now."
So we're off.
Get out, innit?
We're off. It's just had a little downpour, which is brilliant because it's just soaked the windscreen cover.
Oh well, it doesn't matter, does it? We'll give it a wipe.
I think we got about 10 minutes left and we're gonna shoot out.
Yeah, so
who knows where we'll be.
Yeah.
And who knows what we'll be doing.
Be just as much of a surprise for you as it is for us. But there we are. We'll see you in a bit, guys.
Yeah, see you in a bit,
Alright,
guys.
ta-da!
And we're off.
First stop, supermarket.
Food.
And fuel.
Yeah, food and fuel. I'm on under quarter of a tank, so time to top it up a little bit.
Yeah, so we're going to get to it, I think. The kids have got their shopping lists. We're ready to go. Right then, everybody, you got your lists?
Yeah.
Let's see them. Right, excellent. Got the trolley. Come on then, it's time to go.
Orange. No, you're
Daddy's chocolate, first on the list.
And first in the trolley.
So, I think we're going for the spice.
It's for the sweets next.
Mum, I'm just getting my sweets. Well, the sweets are going in. Mine's going in.
Well, what about these? Look, you can have some Skittles or Haribos.
Skittles.
Right. Okay, what's next on your list? Oliver, what have you got on your list?
Mum's wine.
Mum's wine, we'll get that at the end.
Fruit.
Good boy, come on then. So Dexter, do you want to go and pick your fruit then, buddy?
Yeah. These are fruit.
Take my fruit.
Toffee apple for the dad.
Yeah, that's my fruit.
Lovely.
And this is my fruit.
Okay, excellent. Excellent. Put it in there. Oliver, pick some in, buddy.
There's the bananas.
Oh, they'll be the other side, love. They're over there.
Dave, you have a toffee apple with us?
Oh, no, thank you. Strawberries is my favourite fruit.
We got strawberries.
Yeah.
Have we?
Yeah.
Fab. I'm happy
Yeah,
then.
I got the strawberries for you, Mum.
Thank you.
Look at pumpkin.
Oh, yeah, that is huge.
Looks like
And it's really colourful.
Looks like a blue tangerine.
Should we get that?
Yeah.
Ooh, can't get it.
That's cool, like that.
There you go. Nice. The joy of going shopping. We now have to put this all away. You had fun though, kids? Got plenty they wanted. So this will be fun. So I've just spotted a cheeky lunch in the supermarket car park. We're all refreshed and we're heading down to Lytham Gardens. I think that's how you say it anyway. So we're going to give this a try, see what happens. We'll update you as the day goes on. It's Blackpool Airport by there, which I didn't even know Blackpool had an airport.
There's a sign like Blackpool Airport.
Yeah. So would they just do flights then for the UK?
Yeah, they're probably national flights around the UK. I don't think it's an international airport.
No.
Just for your light aircraft.
We just passed a load of retail shops as well, which I'm going to check out later.
If the husband stops.
You have to stop because I realised I've forgotten your Halloween outfit.
Oh, we know where we'll get that from.
So we're going to have to go back and get one. Well, it's not like us. We're normally out first thing in the morning, aren't we? By about 9 o'clock. And the last couple of days haven't been getting out till gone 12. But I'm happy today because we're in the motorhome. I've had lunch in here. I've been shopping. There's petrol in here.
This Pleasure Beach over to the right. Sea's looking rough today. Real rough.
Yeah, I'm looking rough today as well, love. That's why I haven't got the camera on me.
I did a 360.
Oh, looks like it's the end of the tram line there, and it turns around like.
Oh yeah.
There's a 180 right there.
Oh, I see. So it just goes up and down.
Yeah. But if you could park somewhere close around here, you can jump on the tram at the tram stop there, and it'll take you all the way up to the tower. Apparently it's 11 miles long, the tram line, so as they say, it's 11 miles of coastlines.
Gosh, that's
And it was free. I don't know if it's always free, but we wasn't charged the other night when we went on it. There was no one there asking for payment. People were just getting on and off it, so I'm assuming during the illuminations they're free.
I'm not sure. Unless we just got lucky.
Yeah, maybe.
So yeah, Lytham's this way. Okay, so this is a North Beach car park, pay and display, overnight motorhome parking. It's fine, up to 10 metres. So that's pretty good. So I'm wondering then if this literally, you can go straight onto the beach from here.
Probably.
Oh, there's a couple here, we can ask these.
Yeah, designated motorhome spots, like. I do like that. I'm
Yeah.
not gonna lie to you.
That's really cool, that is. Motorhomes, yeah, it even says motorhomes only on the floor.
Yeah.
Isn't that the chap that was just near us on the site?
Very well could be. Very well could be.
They literally moved off this morning. They're gonna
Yeah.
think, oh no, not them again. Oh, I bet you it is. That'll be funny. We'll go and have a snoop now then and see what we can find on the beach. Love. It is, it's really cool. There's a beach literally just by there.
Yeah?
Yeah, do you want to take a walk down and have a look?
Yeah, have I got to pay for some parking?
Probably.
Alright, let me go do
We'll
our
do
first.
that, but we'll head down to the beach so we can show it off.
Alright then, let me go and pay for some parking. We're at the North Beach car park in Lytham, and they have motorhome parking here, but they also allow you to stay overnight. So, if I turn you around, you can do one night for £10 or 2 nights for £15. That's not bad. So if you're passing through and you just want some cheap parking, that's not too bad either. Then North Beach car park, I'll try and find the 3 words for it, and then the conditions of use for us. Alright guys, and if you want it, the QR. So yeah, she is all parked up for the next few hours. What do you think, love?
Yeah, I'd do this one.
You'd sleep in this one, would you?
Yeah.
You're right on the beach, so the beach is the other side of this fence.
Yeah.
I said there's a couple of other vans here. But for that price, you can't complain, can you?
Yeah.
That's alright.
We could, yeah.
So what are we doing? We're going to go down and have a look on the beach, is it?
Yeah, well I thought we'd have a little smooch down there, see what it's like.
Yeah.
And then after that, then we could perhaps head down and find that windmill thing I was on about.
We'll go have a look at that windmill.
Once I've had a smooch around everywhere, I'm pretty happy. But saying that, we could probably, can we get a tram from about here?
Well, we did just see the turning point for the trams were up there, but I can't remember how much we drove down.
I don't think it was that, about a mile and a half.
I don't think it was that far. We'll have a look.
But what I'm thinking is we could potentially get a tram then into Blackpool
Go into
tonight,
Blackpool,
do
park
the things
here.
that you want to do, and then come stay here tonight.
Why not go back to the site?
Makes no difference, does it, if you're in a designated parking bay or if you're on a
Yeah,
campsite?
true. Well, it does, because it means we've got to pay to stay the night here.
Oh yeah, that's what. Yeah, I suppose.
It's not free.
Yeah, well, we know it's here though,
Yeah,
and now everyone else knows it's here, so
exactly.
it was worth it. Cheeky little find.
Oh, it's windy today. You can see the sea's looking very choppy out there. It's a nice big beach, very big beach. This must be connected to the Blackpool beaches. It must just keep coming all the way from up there, all the way down here. And it keeps going as far as the eye can see. This beach must be massive, love. Lovely beach though, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm very impressed with this.
Yeah.
Look at my shoes. Yeah.
We've got another pier. So that must be Lytham. I hope I'm saying this right, for God's sake. That's their north pier. But I'm like, how many piers do they want around here? You got 3 in Blackpool, so what were they? Were they in competition with each other? Did they build first and Blackpool and Wasoju will build 3 of the bloody things?
So we're trying to figure out how far away we are.
Well, I could just see the tip of the big one.
There he goes, so there's tips again. Hey! Oh yeah, I can see it now.
Yeah, we won't be that far. I can't see Blackpool Tower.
Well, the kids are having a bit of a sand fight a minute, so it's good. They're burning some energy off.
Got some metal detectors.
Hell yeah!
Yeah, it's nice.
It is lovely.
I wonder what that is out in the middle of the... Well, I say the middle of the sea. Is that in the middle of the sea?
No. It's just...
It's not another pier.
I wouldn't put it past them.
Yeah. You appear to like the piers up here.
Hey! Very punny. We gotta grow up.
Yeah, we do. Listen, I'm happy with that, love.
Yeah.
I think if you're ever up in this area and you wanted, so said this.
If I wanted
nice
to venture back into wild camping, we know a spot.
Yes. As you don't mind the wild camping, you don't like the thought of being moved along, do you?
No.
I'm sorry if the wind's being picked up on the mic, it is very windy.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive. I'll just show you how many windsurfers are out here. You could probably just make them out. Oof.
I'm not walking all
No,
the way
not
down.
me. We'll just head back this way. The wind chill is less vicious.
Yeah. I think we maybe try and get some bearings, see how close we are to that tram line.
Yeah.
Because this, for us, could be a good way to get us into Blackpool from side, leaving the motorhome somewhere safe.
Yeah.
And we can just literally jump on the tram here and just let that take us up to wherever we want to go.
Cause did you see the funky trams with the lights on?
Well, you had a boat-shaped one, a train-shaped one.
Yeah, I want to get on one of them.
And I don't think we saw them all either, to be honest.
No. Well, that's pretty by you, love.
I can see a windmill in the distance.
Yeah. Oh, and there's a fun fair. Well, the sign for it anyway. So I'm. Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
So there's the fun fair. And then just ahead there, we've got the windmill, which we're heading for. So we're hoping we're going to get some parking just down here. It's pretty though on the way up, but all the streets were tree lined.
Yeah.
I would have shown you, but the man that was on the phone. Hands free, of course. Just point that out. Oh, it looks lovely, doesn't it?
Yeah. So here's a car park for you. I don't know.
Yeah, we're can't get in there sideways, can we? That is a proper car park. Maybe head on down a bit further, and there's some people pitched up there on the grass. I'm wondering if they'll have space for us over by there.
Wait.
Just where all these cars are, look. Some of them look like they're on the grass.
Do you think I turn in here?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm going to get parking.
Oh yeah, actually, they weren't on the grass at all. They were just right next to it. I don't think we're going to get any parking, are we?
No.
Oh dear.
Definitely not.
That's a shame. The windmill is only over by there.
You got an area down there.
Ah yeah, but if you go down there, what are the chances of getting back up again?
Slim.
There's a curb there.
Yeah, I know.
So I've just spied another motorhome. They've parked on the street.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to park on a busy street, to be honest. Not like that.
That's the thing that we're finding is when you've got these attractions, they're not necessarily catering for motorhomes to be able to actually park to get to them. And that's a little bit frustrating because, you know, we don't all have tow cars. See, that's quite a nice big space we've just passed there on the left. But we don't feel confident, do we, leaving?
No, I'm not going to park up on a busy side road like this.
Well, there's the windmill anyway, people.
Or what's left of it anyway.
Here we are, that's it. Because the chances of us pulling in anywhere, I think, to look at that in closer detail today are pretty slim, and do you think, love?
Yeah, no, I can't see that happening.
There's a nice pretty chapel, St. John the Divine Church. And as I say, you can walk all the way across there as well, so it's a nice, really nice spot actually. It's just we can't park the van, so looks like we're on to plan number 27 today, love. That's alright, isn't it? It's lucky we're not in a rush.
That's it, it is what it is.
Yeah.
Might find, maybe we still might find somewhere down here. No, you don't know.
So that was our Lytham visit.
Very brief.
It was brief. So I've just got back. The man but's still fiddling around with everything, but the place is a dump.
Setting everything up, yeah, we're going to have a little sort in here. We couldn't park anywhere in Lytham, so we did think about going down into Blackpool again, but we thought it's, what is it now? Yeah, it's 3:30 now, so we thought we'll pop in tomorrow. We know we want to do Sea Life and
Two Swords
tomorrow, so we're going to
It
try and
works
book
out
those.
cheaper if you book them together, so I said rather than do it separate, just
Yeah.
spend the day tomorrow. We'll get up early, we'll get out. I think the afternoon plan now is I'm going to clean up this gaff. It's a mess.
It's not too bad.
It's stinking. The cupboards need sorting out.
Yeah,
so
that's the main thing, is we've just got stuff in all the cupboards that shouldn't be there, basically.
it's all in the wrong place.
All needs reallocating.
Also, there's a pumpkin that we just got when we were shopping, so I'm going to do some pumpkin carving.
Enjoy.
So anyway, that's us for today, I think, isn't it?
I think so, to be honest with you. A little short one.
Kids can go to the park.
Yeah.
I might cook some spag bol in a bit.
Job done.
Job done.
So until tomorrow, guys.
We'll see you in a bit.
Ta-da.